Today we will discuss about plane stress condition related one of the problem. Let's see now.
Already we learned plane stress condition derivation. So related one of the problem we learn now. So coming to our question, the following stresses are developed in a plane stress if sigma xx 10 megapascal and sigma yy value is minus 15 megapascal and tau xy is equal to 5 megapascal. Determine the strains induced in the plate assuming Young's modulus E value is 209 gigapascal and Poisson's ratio mu value is 0.3. So actually in plane stress condition, they gave stresses that is sigma xx, sigma yy and tau xy value, and the other data is material properties E value, that means Young's modulus is 209 gigapascal and Poisson's ratio is 0.3, and determine the strains induced in the plate. So that means strain along x direction, y direction and shear strain xy. So these three terms are unknown things. So already we know in plane stress condition, strain stress relationship we already know. So just you have to use with the help of that relation to find out the corresponding strains. So coming to the solution, first of all write down the given data. Sigma xx is equal to 10 megapascal, sigma yy is equal to minus 15 megapascal, tau xy is equal to 5 megapascal and E value is in terms of gigapascal. Young's modulus 209 gigapascal and Poisson's ratio mu value 0.3. So first of all, we have to observe all the terms are in same or not. So that can be once check it. Actually all the stresses are in terms of megapascal. Just this Young's modulus gigapascal is converted into megapascal. So actually mega means 10 power of 6. Giga means 10 power of 9. 209 into 10 power of 9 pascal. Actually this 10 power of 9, 209 into 10 cube into 10 power of 6 pascal. So actually 3 plus 6 that is 9. Actually 10 power of 6 means mega. Finally 209 into 10 cube megapascal. So first of all whatever be the problem is there, once check it all the dimensions are in same or not. If for example if this is a pascal, just you have to convert Young's modulus in terms of pascal. So just all the units are in terms of pascal or megapascal or gigapascal. So like that just you have to maintain. Then I go for solution. So this is our given data and to find the strains, so actually this is a relationship used. This is a strain stress relationship for plane stress condition. Actually coming to our question, they gave stress values that is sigma x, sigma y and tau xy. To find out the strains, this is a relationship we used. Actually coming to our question wise, whatever be the terms, that is E, Young's modulus is known, that is 209 into 10 cube megapascal. Mu value also known, that is 0.3 and corresponding stresses also known. So just we have to substitute this is the values from this relation. 1 by 209 into 10 cube 1 minus 0.3, 0, minus 0.3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2 of 1 plus 0.3. Corresponding stresses, sigma xx value is 10 megapascal, sigma y value is minus 15 megapascal, and tau xy value is 5 megapascal. Okay, so just whatever be the values are there, just I have to substitute those values in this relationship. This is the matrix we obtained. So first of all, have to check whether this matrix multiplication obtained or not. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix, that is which having 3 rows 1, 2, 3 and 3 columns 1, 2, 3. 3 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 rows and 1 column. So this 3, 3 equal means finally 3 by 1 matrix is obtained. So the final matrix size is 3 by 1 matrix size is obtained. So now I would like to explain how to multiply these matrices. So to find out the strains, that is epsilon x, epsilon y, epsilon xy, actually 1 by 209 into 10 cube is a common term. So this is the first row is multiplied with corresponding column to obtain first value, that is 1 into 10 plus minus 0.3 into minus 15, minus 0.3 into minus 15 plus 0 into 5. Like that, this second row is multiplied with corresponding column, that is minus 0.3 into 10 plus 1 into minus 15 plus 0 into 5. Second value is obtained. Like that, this is the third row is multiplied with corresponding column. Third value is obtained, that is 0 into 10 plus 0 into minus 15 plus 2 into 1 plus 0.3 into 5. 0 into 10, 0 into minus 15 plus 2 into, this is 1.3 into 5. So just this is the matrix can be simplified. From first one, 10 plus 15 into 0.3, that is 14.5. Like that, the second one can be simplified, minus 0.3 into 10 plus this is minus 3 plus minus 15 minus 18, like that 0 0. So actually this is the matrix can be simplified, 1 into 10 plus minus 0.3 into minus 15 plus 0 into 5, this is the value is 14.5. Like that, the second one is simplified, that is a minus 18 and third one also simplified, that is the value is 13. Okay, 14.5 by 209 into 10 cube, that value is 6.9 into 10 power of minus 5, and minus 18 by 209 into 10 cube value is minus 8.6 into 10 power of minus 5. Like that, 13 by 209 into 10 cube value is 6.2 into 10 power of minus 5. So these are the strain values we obtained. Then finally our conclusion. Strain along x direction is 6.9 into 10 power of minus 5. Strain along y direction minus 8.6 into 10 power of minus 5. Then finally strain along xy 6.2 into 10 power of minus 5. So these are the values we finally obtained.